Hello my dear children, welcome to my channel Sudhir Chemistry. But now this is another question for 4 marks from second year chemistry for IP, which one we are preparing. Derive the integrated rate equation. Derive the integrated rate equation for the first order kinetics. But how to write for 4 marks? See here, I will tell you. It is the simplest way to write for the 4 marks. Just go with this way. Consider first order reaction. Sir, consider first order reaction. But what is the first order reaction we can consider? We can write this is a R is a reactant. It will be converted into product. For this reaction we will write better rate. How to write the rate? That rate is equal to minus of D concentration of R by dt, that is equal to K concentration of R. And if you rearrange it, what we can say, D concentration of R by R equal to negative sign goes here, K into dt. Then on integration or on integrating on both sides, if we integrate it on the both sides, what we will get? Natural log to the base E beta. dr by R. If we integrate it, what we'll get? We'll get a natural log to the base E concentration of R. Here minus K and T is a constant came out plus of I. Do you know what is the I beta? It is a constant of integration. This will be, let us say this is the equation 1, and in this equation 1 what is the I? I is a constant of integration. I is a constant of integration. Is it clear? This is the I, which one we got it. So once again, first what you have to write? You have to consider the first order reaction. R gives rise to product. Then rate is equal to minus of dr by dt equal to K into concentration of R. Rearrange it better. R comes to here. So dr by R equal to K into dt. This minus goes to here. Minus of K into dt. Did you understand? dr by R equal to minus of K into dt. Yes. On integrating on both the sides, we are getting natural log to the base E concentration of R, that is equal to minus of K into T plus I. I is the constant of integration. Till here it is over. Now we will consider the concept. 1 second, what we'll do. So now, this equation 1 we have to write, sir, at time t equal to 0. At time t equal to 0, your R is the concentration of reactant, this one, the R it become concentration of R0. Do you know what is the R0? That also write down. So this R0 is the initial concentration of the reactant. R0 is the initial concentration. So R0 is the initial concentration of the reactant. This R0 is the initial concentration of the reactant. This is the value of R0. So now this value R equal to R0 substitute in equation 1. So I should write here. Substitute the value of R. Substitute the value of R become R0 in equation 1. See this is the equation 1, which one we will have. Substitute the value of R become R0 in equation 1. If you substitute in equation 1, what we can get? Say natural log to the base E concentration of R equal to minus of, equal to R become R0, right? So in place of R, substitute the R0, ln R0 minus of K, value of T equal to 0. Did you saw? So 0 plus of I, and if you solve it, what we will get? Check it. ln natural log to the base E R0 is equal to I. See I got the value of I. What is the value of I got? ln R0. And this value of I now substitute in the equation 1. See now I'll write here. Substitute the value of I in equation 1. So what is the equation 1 we have? This is our equation 1. Sir, ln natural log to the base e r equal to minus of kt plus, but a value of I got here ln r naught. I got here ln concentration of r naught. Now this ln r naught take on this side, so we are having ln r minus of ln r naught, but it is equal to minus of kt. It is something like a log a minus log b. Did you remember a minus b, beta? Yes sir. Log a minus log b can be written as log a by b. It is equal to minus of kt. Beta, if you want to take out these minus, this equation can be written as ln concentration of r naught by concentration of r. See beta, the term which is on the denominator comes on the numerator and numerator terms comes on the denominator. That's it. That time minus become plus and it become kt. Now we can write here beta, what is that? K is equal to, t comes on this side, 1 by t natural log to the base e concentration of r naught by concentration of r. Actually, this is the integrated rate equation for first order reaction. But we have to write in a detail, or we have to write in a log to the base 10. Right? If you want to write this term in the term of log to the base 10, how the equation should be written, k. Yes. But it is equal to 2.303 by t. Instead of 1 by t, what you should write, beta? 2.303 by t. Into ln is there. Instead of ln, what to say? Log to the base 10 concentration of r naught by concentration of r. Right? Now, what is the r naught, beta? It is the initial concentration of the reactant. What is the r, beta? R is a concentration of the reactant at time t. If you want, I'll write. What is the K indicate, beta? K indicate here as a rate constant. Right? What is the concentration of R naught indicate? Sir, it is the initial concentration. Beta, it is the initial concentration of the reactant. And what is your R here, beta? R is a concentration of reactant. It is a concentration of the reactant at time t, means particular time t. So all these things, the equation which one we got here now, but this is the integrated rate equation for first order kinetics. Once again I will repeat, beta, how to score the 4 marks for this simple question. First, if you write this equation completely, you will get 1 mark. K equal to 2.303 by t into log to the base 10 concentration of r naught by r. K is the rate constant, r naught is the initial concentration of the reactant, r is the concentration of the reactant at the time t. Right? Here, for this one 1 mark. To reach here, what to do? R gives product, rate equal to minus of dr by dt equal to k into r. Because this r comes this side, dt goes here, k dt minus goes here, minus k dt, r comes here, dr by r. On integrating this one, we got this ln r. Ln means natural log to the base e. Ln r equal to minus of kt plus I. I is a constant of the integration. Then at time t equal to 0, your r become r naught. R naught is the initial concentration of the reactant. So now substitute the value of r become r naught in equation 1. Ln r become what, beta? Ln r naught equal to minus of k into t. What is the t value? 0 plus I. I value I got ln to the base e r naught. This value of I substitute in the equation 1. But on substituting on the equation 1, substitute the value of I in equation 1. What we got? ln r equal to minus kt. Yes sir. But plus I, beta, become what? Ln r naught. Now this plus ln r naught goes to here, become minus ln r naught equal to minus kt. Beta, log a minus log b can be written as log a by b minus kt. And if you want to make minus kt become plus kt, na beta, r by r naught become r naught by r. See, r naught by r. Now t comes on this side, it become 1 by t ln r naught by r and it become k. K is called as a rate constant. beta it is in terms of what? Natural log to the base e. Write in terms of beta log to the base 10. What you should do? Multiply with 2.303 by t into log to the base 10 concentration of R naught by R. R naught is nothing but the initial concentration of the reactant, and R is the concentration of the reactant at time t, and this equation is called as a integrated rate equation for first order, or we can say this equation is also called as a integrated rate equation for first order. I think, did you understand? Please take a screenshot of this one. So this is the one of the question which one we did beta for 4 marks. Derive the integrated rate equation for the first order kinetics. And beta in this derive the integrated rate equation for first order kinetics. How to go? Once again you can revise it. R gives rise to product. Means consider the first order reaction. R gives product. Then rate equal to minus dr by dt. That is equal to K into concentration of R. Rearrange it beta. R comes on the denominator, dr by R. dt goes here, K dt. Minus come here, minus K dt. What we got? dr by R equal to minus of K dt. On integrating on both the side, right beta? On integration on both the side, what we'll get? We'll get ln R, because integration of this one gives rise to what beta? Natural log to the base e concentration of R. Minus K dt beta? Minus K into T constant plus I, and I is a constant of integration. But at time t equal to 0, your concentration of R become R naught, where R naught is the initial concentration of the reactant. Then substitute the value of R become R naught in equation 1. So ln R become ln R naught. Minus of K into T becomes 0 plus I. Value of I got ln concentration of R naught. But these value, I value which one I got ln concentration of R naught, substitute in the equation 1. By substituting in the equation 1, what I got? ln R, check it, but ln R equal to minus kt plus I. But in place of I, what I should write? Its value, ln R naught, the value I will substitute here. Then this plus ln R naught comes on this side, become minus ln R naught equal to minus kt. Beta log A minus log B become log A by B, R by R naught equal to minus kt. If you want to write beta minus kt become plus kt, R naught, R by R naught become R naught by R. I repeat, minus kt become plus kt means your R by R naught, reverse it, R naught by R. Then we got K equal to, T comes on this side 1 by T, ln R naught by R. Then in terms of log to the base 10, K equal to 2.303 by T, log to the base 10 concentration of R naught by R. K is the rate constant, R naught is the initial concentration of the reactant, and R is the concentration of the reactant at time t. Up to here if you write beta, easily we are able to score 4 marks, and definitely it's the most important question in our chemical kinetics, right? Thank you beta, thank you very much. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.